the ultimate fun at-home activity for your family? Introducing Play On. Play On is a screen-free audio musical adventure with an accompanying storytelling kit delivered right to your home. Let's see how it works. Your kit arrives at your door. Let's see what comes in the kit. This is Twinkle's musical adventure for kids ages 3 and up and their grown-up. I'm going to put together our storytelling bunting. You can hang this on a wall, or a bunk bed, or even on the doorknob of your closet, whatever works for your family. There are 2 items in the kit that a grown-up can create with the little one before listening to the audio tracks. Our beautiful night sky lantern is put together super easily with just 2 stickers and a pipe cleaner. Don't forget to light it up with a flashlight from your home. And our make-your-own jellyfish craft, located in this turquoise bag. Our other storytelling helpers in the kit include our Crystal Colors kaleidoscopes, and our Twinkle finger puppet, and our Moon finger puppet. For the grown-ups, we've included this handy-dandy movement card so that you can dance and boogie with your little one whenever a song plays in the story. On the enclosed info sheet, locate your audio password. Log on to playonkit.com and click on Kit Audio. Choose the title of the kit you ordered. Unlock the audio with your password. Voila! The audio tracks for your adventure. You are all set for the ultimate bedtime story experience. Or daytime story. Play the tracks, follow along with your storytelling bunting, act out the story, sing and dance, giggle and snuggle. I'm so excited for the other Play On kits, the gingerbread family, for the whole family to act out together, and the ice cream factory fiasco, Agent 11 adventure. Imagine, create, dream, adventure, and play on.